excuse the wardrobe. I just got ambushed on YouTube by some haters, and I'm just not in the mood to bother trying to look good. As what's the point? You just get told that you're fat, ugly, and retarded. So that's my attitude right now. Come here. Oh, look, it's another YouTube message. Let's see how wonderful this one is. And how original it'll be. I doubt it'll be original. Come here. That's my girl. Stop showing your kitty parts. So we're going to see if she'll go in the bowl. Come on. Come on. She's a lot more cautious than the other one too, but the other one's in heat, so... No. See, they prefer shoe boxes. If you're wondering what this is all about, a friend of mine made a video regarding how Japanese cats like to go in bowls. We wonder whether this is a Japanese thing, a cat thing, or a spontaneous thing. So we're going to play around with it. And if I could get the more compliant one up here, come on. Can you go in your bowl? Can you go in the bowl? In the bowl. This is the princess who likes to read.
I like to read.
Can you get in the bowl? Come on, get in the bowl. They're wondering what's the deal with the bowl. I think the bowl's too small. I'm gonna like try to find a bigger one. Let's get in this bowl. Get in the bowl. I'm sorry, it's not gonna work this time because she's in heat. I probably couldn't even get her to go in her box. In the frickin' bowl! Sorry, didn't work for me either. They're probably pissed at me right now, but if I can get it to work later, I'll send it your way. Here are some things my cats will actually do with no instigation. I have one of the smartest cats. When we were living with roommates, one of the roommates tried to teach the cat how to open doors. I'm going to go behind this door, and she's going to want to come in with me. So fingers crossed we can catch this on camera, because this is something we've heard her doing early in the morning when we're trying to sleep. Hey, Kalima. My cat hates my dad's ringtone. So we're going to call the phone. I have to set the phone up to be the same as my dad's ringtone. Here it comes. She's like eating it. Where'd it go? Kalima, why don't you like the phone? What's wrong with the phone, Kalima? Oh, it's ringing again. Oh no. She's gonna answer. Uh-oh, she's got the cap off now. Game's over. Game's over. Let's put the phone back together, Missy. No, Mom's phone. Where's the rest of it? No, you cannot take the cap off. You can try to answer it though. What's wrong with that ringtone, Kalima? What's wrong? Oh, there it goes again. I'll be teasing you. Alright, that's enough.
Ugh, not this song again. Why is it that whenever I do something silly, it always has to be that I'm gonna take a walk outside today?
Gonna take a walk outside today. Gonna see what we can find today.
And I'd certainly like the world to know that I do not live on a farm, I live in the city.
A brand new life outside the door. Follow your nose and go explore.
I didn't find anything new today by following my nose.
And
I did not take a walk outside.
We're gonna take a
I was
walk
stuck in a house with
outside
boots on my
today.
feet.
Gonna see what we can
I
find
did not find this song amusing whatsoever.
Such a great big world that's all set.
And another thing,
Curious cat and a
where is this
friends to
puppy
meet, places
you are
to
always
be. It's
speaking
all so
about?
new and fun to see. And we're gonna take a walk outside today. Gonna see what we can find today. We're gonna take a walk outside today. Gonna see what we can find today.
This has been a bwings production.
Kalima, why don't you like the phone?